Welcome to today's class. Today we want to discuss polymers. We're going to define the term polymer. We will describe the polymerization reaction. We will give examples of natural and synthetic polymers. And we will name the two types of polymerization. So what are polymers? The poly part of the word means many, and the mers part of the word means parts. So polymers simply means many parts. So in other words, polymers are very large molecules that are built up from small molecules. The small molecules that we build large molecules from are called monomers. So it means polymers are built from monomers. The reactions that build polymers from monomers are called polymerization. Ethene is a good example of monomers. Remember, the chemical formula of ethene is C2H4. So when ethene is heated to 50 degrees centigrade and at a few atmospheric pressure and over a special form of catalyst, the product is polyethene. So let's look at the reaction. So these are our monomer units. So when this undergo polymerization, so we're going to get a large molecule from this. As you can see, we have 4 ethane molecules here as our monomers. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you look at the polymer here, we still have the 4 ethane molecules here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is just a part of polyethene. This is not the exact polyethene itself. So in fact, thousands of ethane molecules, they join to give us a very large molecules. And the ethane molecules, remember, they are called monomers. So this is our monomers. And the product that we form is a polymer. So if we are asked to define what a polymerization is, it is a reaction in which thousands of small molecules join together to make a large molecule. This our polyethene molecule is an example of a synthetic polymer. Remember, synthetic means it is made in a factory. So we have some other synthetic polymers apart from polyethene like nylon, polyester, polystyrene. These are examples of synthetic polymers around us. As we have synthetic polymers, we also have natural polymers. Starch is a form of natural polymer that is made by plants, and starch is built from glucose. So it means glucose are the monomers of starch. Cellulose is another example of natural polymers that is made from plants. It is also made from glucose. That is, glucose is the monomer that makes cellulose as well. Protein is another example of natural polymers. In fact, your skin, your hair, your nails, your bones, and your muscles are mostly made of proteins. So the monomers that come together to give us proteins are amino acids. The two major types of reactions that make polymers are addition polymerization and condensation polymerization. In the next section of this video series, we'll look at the differences between the two types of polymerization reactions. So to summarize, we'll look at polymers. We said polymers means large molecules that are built from small molecules. And then we said those small molecules are called monomers. And then we said the reaction that gives us a polymer from a monomer is called polymerization reaction. Ethene is an example of a monomer, and polyethene is a good example of a polymer. And then we look at other examples of polymers, which is nylon, polyester, polystyrenes. And together with polyethene, they are examples of synthetic polymers. That is, polymers that are made in the laboratory. And this one brings us to natural polymers, which are polymers that are found in nature. And an example is starch. Starch is a polymer that is made from glucose. Glucose is the monomer, while cellulose is another polymer that is made from glucose. And we have protein, and the monomer of protein are amino acids. Then we discussed the two types of reactions that give us polymers. We said one of them is addition polymerization, and the other one is condensation polymerization. Thank you so much, and see you in the next section of the series.